for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, fog lights, compass, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.